Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can allow camera access on Zoom app. If you use a Zoom app as your primary or regular Zoom online meeting app or Zoom or your default meeting online meeting app, you must allow camera access permission. You have to allow it, and of course if this is your first time use a online meeting app, the first thing to do, you have to give permission about camera access, microphone access into this app. First thing to do after you download and install Zoom Workplace, now you can hold that Zoom app icon first before you open it. Tap application info and scroll down and tap on permission. Here you have to allow the microphone, camera and storage. So here for the camera, you can choose allow only while using the app, as every time, or do not allow. So just don't use do not allow. If you enable do not allow, you cannot the Zoom cannot access your camera. You can go on cam when you are going to meeting or during the meeting. So here you can choose allow only while using the app. And also for the microphone, you have to choose allow only while using the app. And of course the storage. And don't forget to keep update your app. Just go to the Play Store or App Store and try to search a Zoom. And this is the Zoom Workplace. Please update if you already installed the Zoom Workplace before, in order to resolve issues like minor bug fixes. So feel free to try to give permission, allow camera access on your Zoom meeting app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.